Back with another bike check in 60 seconds or less. We have the Federal Stevie Churchill frame on here, paired with the signature Stevie Churchill E-clat forks. So we have Churchill, and the bars are just some stolen bikes 9-inch bars, random grips on here. Then we have the Shadow bar ends, Shadow stem, Shadow hubs on both ends. We have the Free Coaster optimized back there. Both of these are laced to the G-Sport ribcage rim. And then moving down to the drivetrain, we have a full Odyssey drivetrain, Odyssey plastics, Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks in 175, Odyssey LaGuardia sprocket. And then we just have some Spaceman stickers on here, complete with a guard half-link chain. And that about covers it.